Hey, let's talk a little bit about filtration today. Filtration of the RV. Well, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I do on my water system as far as the filtration from the external water supply at the RV park to my RV. When you look at what I've got here, it's pretty extensive. This, of course, goes into the supply line, the water supply line. I then have a regulator, a water regulator here. At this point, I have also put in a splitter for garden hoses or for hoses for other things that I might need, like to flush the black tank. I use a sewer solution on my sewer, and this is where I will hook that hose up, go into that sewer solution. We'll be talking about that sewer solution in another video. But let's take a look at what's in this. When we look at the way this filter is set up, I'm going to show you what's in this one. And then, as you can tell, this is just the standard RV filter that you would use. It can either be green or it can be blue. But let's look at what's inside this filter. This filter, you unscrew it, and inside it is the filter. The water comes into the filter here. It goes around the top of this and down and then back up through after it's filtered, and it comes back through here going out to the external filter to the RV. What I like about this is it catches any sand or any other kinds of particulates before it gets to the smaller filter or the final filter that leads to the RV. And it really works well. The filter, as you can tell, is washable, and so essentially the water comes in from the source, it goes around here, and then it comes out the bottom and comes up and out into the smaller filter. It works really good. This filter is, the brand name is the Clear 2O filter. This can be purchased on Amazon. I'll put the link in for it should you decide you want to do it. I want to give you a little bit better look at this filter system, the way it works. Water comes in the top, all the particulates are caught, the sand and everything's caught on the outside of this filter. Then the water goes through this filter and then out to your RV through this area right here. It really works well, plus this whole thing can be taken off and washed. It works wonderful.